everybody, this is just a short little video to show you how to sharpen a pastel pencil. They come to you looking like this, so I'm going to show you how to make it look like this. There are 4 different tools that I use to sharpen a pastel pencil, so I'm going to show those 4 tools to you and show you how to use them. First is the Caran D'Ache sharpener, then an X-Acto knife with a small blade, a sanding block, and a 2-hole metal sharpener. First, use the Caran D'Ache sharpener. The purpose of this is to actually remove some of the thick layers of wood and some of the paint that run along the pencil to protect the lead. You want to be able to get some of those thick layers off so that as we move further into sharpening, you can work with a little bit more detail and there's not as much harshness on the lead, less likely to break it. This is a great little tool for getting all that extra wood right off the edge of your pencil. It's a wonderful little tool. So once you actually get all of that wood off of there, then you slowly move into actually sharpening the pencil. So what we do is we take an X-Acto knife, you hold one in one hand and one in the other, just between the fingers and the thumb, and you're going to move the pencil against the blade. It's really important not to move the blade so much as to move the pencil, because you're controlling the pressure of the pencil against that blade. And you're going to go gently, you're going to go slowly. It takes a little bit of time and a little bit of practice, so don't get frustrated if you break the lead a couple of times. It just takes a little bit of time to get that feel. You can use your forefinger to support the lead as you go, as it gets longer. And however much lead or pigment you want exposed is up to you. But you just keep working at this until you get a nice exposed clean lead. There's a little bit of gum or kind of adhesive underneath the wood against the lead, so make sure you get all of that off of there. And so you just work till you get the amount that you want exposed, and then once that's done, then you can actually start using that little X-Acto knife to start manipulating the point of your lead to get it to a small size if you want it. If you want to just clean your entire lead to be like all consistently smooth, you can do that. But this is a great little way to get a smaller, more refined point on your pencil. And then once that's done, you can rub it on a sanding pad. This will give you a nice flat edge if you want a flat side or a flat point. It can also, if you twist it around, it'll give you a nice point on it as well. And then the other thing that I like to use is a 2-hole metal sharpener. I like the firmness of it. Once again, you're not moving the blade against the pencil as much, just gently putting the lead against the small blades and just finely stroking the blades to get a very, very, very fine point. And it's a great tool just to do that. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave any feedback and any ideas for something you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.